Have you ever wondered how a historic venue like Yonkers Raceway continues to thrive in the modern era of horse racing? Let's delve into its rich legacy, recent developments, and the innovations shaping its future. What makes Yonkers Raceway cornerstone in harness racing? Established in 1899, Yonkers Raceway has been a pivotal venue in the world of harness racing. Over the years, it has hosted prestigious events such as the Yonkers Trot, Art Rooney Pace, and Messenger Stakes, attracting top-tier talent and enthusiastic crowds. How has Yonkers Raceway evolved in recent years? Since MGM Resorts acquired Empire City Casino and Yonkers Raceway over 6 years ago, the venue has undergone significant enhancements. Investments exceeding $1 million have been directed towards resurfacing the track with over 6,000 tons of recycled material, upgrading the horse paddock, installing state-of-the-art LED lighting, and introducing a new multi-display LED infield tote board. These improvements aim to elevate both the participant and spectator experience, ensuring the raceway's status as a premier racing destination. What recent events have shaped the current racing season? The 126th racing season at Yonkers Raceway commenced on January 20th, 2025, marking a historic milestone for the venue. This season is particularly notable, with 240 race days scheduled, the highest number among U.S. racetracks. This extensive schedule underscores Yonkers Raceway's commitment to providing continuous and exhilarating racing action throughout the year. How does Yonkers Raceway maintain safety and integrity in the sport? Safety and integrity are paramount at Yonkers Raceway. Following a multiple horse accident in November 2023, the raceway implemented enhanced safety protocols to protect both drivers and horses. Additionally, advancements in drug detection technology are on the horizon. The New York Equine Drug Testing and Research Laboratory is set to receive a new ion mobility mass spectrometer, increasing drug detection capabilities from 4,700 to 220,000 compounds. This innovation promises more comprehensive doping screenings, reinforcing fair play and animal welfare in the sport. What can fans anticipate in the upcoming season at Yonkers Raceway? Fans can look forward to a season filled with thrilling races, including the renowned Yonkers Trot and Messenger Stakes. The enhanced facilities and extensive race schedule ensure that both newcomers and seasoned enthusiasts will have ample opportunities to experience top-tier harness racing. In conclusion, Yonkers Raceway seamlessly blends its historic legacy with modern advancements, offering a dynamic and safe environment for harness racing. Whether you're a dedicated fan or new to the sport, the Raceway's ongoing evolution promises an exciting future for all. For more insights and updates on Yonkers Raceway, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.